B-roll. It's essential to what I do. A lot of my projects involve long and tedious explanations of what I'm doing, and that gets boring quick, so I have to vary my shots. I don't always do it. I improvise with what I have, and I assure you, I have no idea what I'm doing. Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. So I've now placed myself in this peculiar predicament where I have to shoot B-roll of me shooting B-roll? So does that make the B-roll of what I'm B-rolling for my A-roll? I've never heard anyone say A-roll, so does A-roll even exist? Also, saying A-roll makes me want to say A-hole. You A-hole. I'm sorry, I didn't really mean to call you that. I'm sorry. A-roll is not a thing. Get it together. Wait, is there such a thing as C-roll? Is B-roll of B-roll C-roll? No, that can't be right. Because that would be because what would C-roll regularly be then? Someone just leaves a camera running while it's pointed at a plant off frame? That sounds horrible. No one use C-roll. Don't even attempt it. It's always good to have spare small tripods. Good for setting up quick shots, but also I find it stabilizes shots a tiny bit. Teeny tiny. There's still going to be some shake. I use my phone a lot in a pinch. No big deal, especially if it's just for the image, but sometimes I want to set something up super quick, so I use my 1, 2, 3 blocks. You can do so many configurations to get just the quick little shot you need. Speaking of my phone, and before I got my little Osmo, who's a good Osmo? Oh, sometimes you want some motion to your shots, but the absolute worst thing about using a phone is being able to hold it steady. It's impossible. In Hollywood, they'd set up tracks and dolly a shot. In student filmmaking, sometimes shopping carts or skateboards are used for moving shots. I miniaturized it. I use a fingerboard. I'm kind of really proud of this one, but it's also just dumb obvious. It takes some getting used to, and it's handy to have a straight edge as a guide, but again, in a pinch, this'll do. Anyway, those are my quick little tips for B-roll. It always helps. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!